Isaac. This is not a tiny house, but it's pretty close to it. So you got the door down there, big window, and the big sliding door here. So when you walk in,
right here, place for coat. You can kick shoes off down here.
then you've got this sterile case,
Loft area.
loft over here and here.
Main bedroom.
All right, you come down, main bedroom.
So, yeah, neat area here. Big wardrobe over here. Fireplace.
Fireplace, dresser. All right, here's your kitchen.
Solid surface. Big sink.
Let me
Glass
just
washer.
keep going on down here. Look how far that bar comes down.
Yeah, it's long.
Residential fridge,
Big stove.
Triple H's price, $57,417.
Monthly.
So
Towel things over here. Good storage. Big microwave.
big stove, oven.
Place for your Chef Boyardee.
Yep. And then you got this huge.
Four bar stools under
Oh, okay, sorry, I missed
there. Ooh,
that.
5. There's a 5th one.
5 bar stools under there. Then you've got all this big.
This will make a bed.
Yep.
It'll pull out.
And then let me swing back around. Got your TV on a televator.
Big windows. Ceiling fan.
Ceiling fan.
Another fireplace.
Then you've got this other loft area. Going up the steps. And you can sleep over here, and you can put a little gaming room up here.
You can put Clayton and Ryan up there.
Clayton and Ryan. And then
Your bathroom.
your big bathroom. Big shower.
Real toilet.
Real toilet. And over here in this room already has the stackable
Washer dryer.
washer and dryer. And you've got
Put towels in there.
and then there's your sink
Big area. 2
Drawers.
doors.
and a big window. Okay.
Yeah.
There's the ceiling. AC. I think there's 2 ACs on
2
this.
ACs.
3.
3. Oh yeah, 3 ACs.
Let me see. Yeah, AC. There's an AC up there. And there's one back there in that loft.
Yeah.
Okay. See what you think. You like it.